Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Charmaine and today is a beautiful day and it kind of sucks that I'm inside cleaning, but at the same time it needs to get done. So the way that I clean is I pick an area of the house, I clean it completely, deep clean, organize, and then I move on to the next area. The area that I'm in right now is the first area that I cleaned. The next area is a little bit across from it. That is my dining room area. I already started cleaning. My next thing that I'm cleaning is my altar, which is also in my dining room. So this video is gonna be like an altar tour, but also me cleaning and organizing it as well. All right, let's get started. So right now there's just a bunch of stuff on there. It's a little messy with the ash. It's not set up the way I want it to be right now. So in this cabinet is a little bit messy. Things are kind of everywhere, so I'm gonna be organizing that as well. Just a shout out to my friend for making me this lovely necklace for my birthday. She does have an Etsy store, so go check her out. I'm going to start with the storage area just because there are things on top that I want to put away and things that I want to take out from the storage area and put on my altar. So I'm just going to set those things aside and then clean the top and then set it up. You can see all the little fingerprints from my son. And then I have a little key. He doesn't know how to unlock it yet, so I do keep it in there so it's easy to get to. But I will probably have to eventually hang it up somewhere on the wall. And all the stuff. It's kind of organized right now, but like a messy organized. So I'm just gonna start taking things out and I'm gonna start with the top. All these candles. Full of candles. These things actually came from an old chandelier. I pretty much kept like everything from it. These things I use to catch the wax of my candles and they work great. If I'm gonna take something apart to use it for something else, or if I'm gonna throw something out, I try to see what I can salvage and use for something else. Oh, I forgot I had these from Christmas, not even open. I'm just putting everything on the ground. Even the empty essential oil bottles I keep. All my essential oil packaging. My sister is actually an essential oils rep with doTERRA. I have a lot of those. These other essential oils are really from before she kind of started with doTERRA. I kept those, but now doTERRA is all I buy. Which reminds me, I think I need more lavender. I will leave a link for her doTERRA site. Not sponsored, by the way. Just, you know, my sister, love her, and they're amazing oils, so can't go wrong. Usually when I clean, I start with like the top shelves. If I end up wiping things down and it goes on the bottom shelf, if I get it dirty, it'll eventually be clean. I actually try to make as many of my own cleaning products as possible. Now this is like an empty glass cleaner bottle, but what's inside is a homemade sledge that I like to use on the wood, and it just helps the wood stay kind of shiny and keep the dust off. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in me showing you some recipes on how to make your own cleaning products with essential oils. I put it in this, but it doesn't spray anymore. For some reason it's broken, so I actually have to open it. I need to get another spray bottle. The ones I've been using is just from old cleaning products that we had from before I started making my own. I just kept the bottles for them. I have to deal with it and just kind of dump it on there. And it smells really good. I usually put something citrusy in it, and I love the smell of citrus. It's all natural, so I feel more safe with cleaning things and having my son around it and spilling it on myself because apparently I'm super clumsy. Close this because I do not want that spilling because I will probably knock it over. Again, old cleaning bottle disinfectant, but what's inside is a homemade essential oil disinfectant. And again, let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you these recipes. And this I use on the stuff that I'm going to be putting back. I just kind of wipe everything down, disinfect it, and just make sure it's not dusty. I have a box behind me of containers and like baskets that I might use for storage. Yes, I'm wiping my candles down because they're a little dusty. So I'm just taking a few things down. I have this box full of lighters and other stuff. A sword letter opener, this little knife, just random shit. So that's done. I'm just gonna stick that over here. Now I'm just gonna put my other candles away. Oh, this one smells so good. A lot of these are for like springtime, so that's why they're so colorful. I do have to get more for like the winter because I don't really have a lot of winter color. Oh, there's something in my eye. No, go away. Actually, he's over here. Candle holders with candles already, and the candle holders without candles. These ones are real crystal. I usually use them for winter because they kind of remind me of the snowflake. And then I have all of these. So if you ever have something that's crystal and gross, just run it through your dishwasher and most likely it will clean them perfectly. Candle wax all over it. I don't worry too much about the candle wax because I'm just gonna get more candle wax on it eventually anyway, so kind of didn't want to stack these, but I think I'm going to stack those. Doesn't look much different, but everything is clean and a little bit more organized than it was before. That works, sure, why not? I still have to crush them a little bit more, but I have a bunch of eggshells. I'll just stick them all in one thing. Some moss, big thing of ivy. So I'm actually gonna keep this out. So it doesn't need to take up room in my storage if I'm gonna be using it to hang up everywhere. So yeah, I just took everything out and now I'm just wiping this down. Other thing. Oh my goodness. I am just dumping all this stuff on the floor. Take my disinfectant. Stick them in for now, just in case there's something from another box that needs to go into this one. So my son just woke up and that makes this 10 times harder to film. So I'm sorry about any background noise you hear or if I tell him not to touch anything because he probably will try with all this stuff being out. Don't touch that, please. He's eating. He woke up and was kind of miserable, so I made him something to eat and then put it on the table and he can reach, so he can just go grab it as he wants it. And then I just started cleaning again. It can be kind of difficult to clean and do stuff like this with a toddler. They do like to touch everything. I try to make it work. I have these little bags that I've been putting all like my charms and beads and stuff in, so I'm gonna do the same thing with these. Just wipe this down. Then I'm gonna wipe down everything and put them in the correct bin that they belong into. Bags and bins are your best friend. Do you agree? No? Okay, apparently they're not. So that's not gonna work. So that's closed up. Thank you. Apparently I got a rake. I just ended up putting spring stuff and summer stuff in one bin and fall and winter stuff in another bin. And then these other two bins, just the random stuff and my fake flowers. So now I'm just gonna move things around. So I did hang a bunch of this up around the house and I do have lots left, so I'm just gonna stick this back in there. So that's it, the bottom's done. I'm gonna move on to this part. This is my book of shadows, my spells and poetry book. Yes, I did decorate my book of shadows. I know a lot of book of shadows might just have like a tree of life in the middle and that's it, but I'm a really artistic person. I painted the moon and these are just some stickers, and then these little diamonds and stars are also stickers. I put book of shadows on the side here. I do write in my spells book and my book of shadows with ink and a calligraphy pen. No! What do I do? got ink all over my hand and all over my leg. So that's fun. Well, that's not coming off for a while. So yeah, all over my leg. Look at that. That's just lovely. Oh my goodness. No! Clean with me. Alter edition, but also clean spilled ink everywhere edition. Okay, well, let's continue. I wipe this down with some Pledge. So I just wiped these off, stuck them back in. Just wipe this glass. Sweet, no more fingerprints for now. Until he comes over here. Get my disinfectant cloth again and just quickly wipe these down and then neatly put them in there. A bunch of crystals in a bowl. I'm just gonna stick right there. And that's it for this part. So next I'm gonna move up to the top part. So there isn't really another holiday until the end of, oh bless you, until the end of July, beginning of August. So I think I'm just gonna set it up like I normally do, just so you can kind of see it, how I just have it pretty much every day, because I don't have much for it unless it is like festive, I guess. This can actually go away. That's not supposed to be on there. I don't know why it is. I'm gonna take everything off, wipe it down, and also wipe the surface as well. This is a plan. I actually made it out of a Nutella jar, and I just put some sticker stars on it. So I have this as well that I usually have on my altar. I actually got it from the park when they were cutting down the trees. So I took a piece of stub. I love glitter and diamonds and stuff like that, so I have these stickers and I just kind of made the triple goddess symbol. I eventually do want to get a wood tool, like a wood burning tool, and engrave some things in it. That was my plan for this, but I haven't got to it yet. And then I just put everything back up. Whenever I set up my altar, especially if it's not for like a holiday, or even if it is for a holiday, I really just try to kind of feel, you know, what I'm feeling and just do what I feel is right. Not the most exciting thing, but just to have it set up and ready to go for when I do set up for the next holiday. So I do end up wiping the outside doors and the sides as well, and then I'm done. So that's my altar organization, cleanup, and setup. If you're interested in how I set up for holidays, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I think I'm gonna do more of these. I really enjoyed it. I mean, I have to clean anyways, so why not make a video out of it? If you do enjoy these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up to let me know so I can know whether to do more of them or not. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me and ring that little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Don't forget to follow me on other social media. My Snapchat and Twitter is NotSoPlainChar, and everything else is NotSoPlainCharmaine. Alright, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.